recycling for a better future. Tetra Pak is the world's leading food processing and packaging solutions company. Tetra Pak started its operations in Pakistan in 1984. As a responsible corporate citizen, our approach to sustainability is derived from our brand promise: protects what's good. We believe that our responsibility doesn't end when we sell our packages. Through recycling, we can give used beverage cartons a new life, protect natural resources, and reduce climate impact. 6 layers that make up an aseptic carton, paper fibers, polymers, and aluminum can all be recycled using relatively simple techniques and turned into new products. Tetra Pak Pakistan has been working with Green Earth Recycling, the largest plastic recycling company in Pakistan, to collect and recycle a certain percentage of used beverage cartons every year. Green Earth Recycling collects used beverage cartons from a variety of resources, including the production plants of Tetra Pak's customers. It also buys used beverage cartons from waste dealers in different cities. Currently, Tetra Pak is working with different partners such as paper mills and recycling companies to recycle around 41% of our total production of beverage cartons every year.
This project was launched with the help and cooperation of Tetra Pak, and since then it has progressed by leaps and bounds. We are collecting Tetra Pak waste from all over Pakistan now, including the very northern areas and the south. Our process is very safe and sustainable. Safe because we do not use any detergents or chemicals in our process. And sustainable because 100% of the carton is broken up and recycled, and all the products recovered from that are sold.
Recycling process at Green Earth starts with sorting. Empty cartons are transferred on a conveyor belt where dust and foreign bodies are separated. The next step is separation of pulp and polyal. The sorted cartons are moved to a horizontal pulping drum where pulp is separated from polymer and aluminum. Stacking then takes place with a mix of polymer and aluminum, also called polyal, which is packed into stacks. Next comes the pulp cleaning process. Here, 5 steps of cleaning and screening of pulp are performed before some of the clean pulp is sent to the paper mills in jumble bags to be used as raw material. Rest of the pulp is pressed into sheets for transportation to customers who prefer the pulp to be supplied in sheet form. Water is extracted to increase the density of the pulp. Moving to the recycling of the other 2 materials, the polymer and aluminum mix of polyal. This is first shredded and then dried, as drying increases its density. Raw plastic is processed separately for onward mixing with polyal. The dried polyal is then blended with plastic in a lumber machine. Both materials are pressed together to form plastic lumbers or logs. Different profiles are extruded. The logs and profiles are then fabricated into garden furniture and a range of other products such as polyal pellets, rides, seesaw, rocking chairs and furniture. The dried polyal, along with special plastic and reflective sheets, is also heat pressed into a wide range of sheets called a Green Earth Stuff Board. The Green Earth Stuff Board is made in several colors, designs and textures meant for different applications as required. The applications include construction of livestock and dairy sheds, poultry sheds, covered parking areas, garden sheds, storage and warehousing, factory spaces, temporary housing structures, roof insulations, stadiums and public spaces, and many other roofing and wall applications.
Tetra Pak polyaluminium sheets have excellent insulation properties. Temperature differences in excess of 10 degrees have been achieved in summer months when compared to galvanized sheets. As a result, these sheets have been extensively deployed across many sectors, including dairy, livestock, and poultry. We've received a tremendous response from all of our clients, many of whom have returned again and again with repeat orders.
Recycling is thus integral to Tetra Pak's core operating philosophy, making us a company that truly cares for the environment and the community. Through our partnership with Green Earth Recycling in Pakistan, similar to such partnerships in many other countries where we operate, we play an active role in shaping a better future, supporting the long-term success of our customers' businesses, and driving environmental excellence across our whole value chain.